Good morning, students. Today we are going to read our 11th chapter of EVS. The name of the chapter is Our Country. As you all know, India is a big country. According to its size, it is the 7th largest country in the world. It is the second most populated country after China. Means India comes on the second number. Okay, that is most populated country after China. India lies in continent Asia. India is a country of diversity. It has many religions, people speak different languages and have different food habits. Okay? India shares its boundaries with many countries like Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Sri Lanka and Maldives are its nearest neighbors in the Indian Ocean. Clear? Come on the next page. India is a peninsular country surrounded by 3 water bodies. Peninsular means surrounded by 3 water bodies. Bay of Bengal in the east, the Arabian Sea in the west and Indian Ocean in the south. Indian states and union territories. India is divided into smaller parts called states and union territories. It has 28. Here is 28 states and 9 union territories. 9 union territories. Telangana is added in as a new state in India. Okay, in the year 2014. Each state has its own capital city except for Punjab and Haryana. These 2 states share their capital. Chandigarh means Chandigarh is the capital of 2 states, Punjab and Haryana. Each state has its own government which is chosen by the people of that state. Among these states, Rajasthan is the largest and Goa is the smallest state on the basis of area. Means if I'll ask you which is the largest and which is the smallest state, you will tell Rajasthan is the largest and Goa is the smallest state on the basis of area. More to know, India has the largest postal network in the world. It has a floating post office in Dal Lake, Srinagar. India has the highest cricket ground in the world, which is in Chel, that is in Himachal Pradesh. Telangana and Andhra Pradesh share their capital with Hyderabad. Okay. Now we will talk about clothes we wear. Which type of clothes the people of India wear. India has diverse climatic conditions. Somewhere it is freezing cold. Somewhere it is scorching hot. Means somewhere is very cold season and somewhere is very hot. Somewhere it rains heavily, somewhere it is hot. The type of dress we wear also depend on the region, like women wear sari, men wear dhoti kurta or kurta pajama. The women in India generally wear colorful dresses. Sari is the most common dress worn by women in India. There are some clothes that are common and popular throughout India, like salwar kameez, trousers, shirts, skirts, chudidar kurta and jeans. Okay, but there are some clothes which differ from state to state, like and are worn in the particular state. Like you can you know that in Punjab what do we wear? We wear salwar kameez, है ना? These are called traditional clothes. Okay. The climate of India. India is a vast country with different physical features like mountains, valleys, plateaus, plains, etc. Okay. These land features play a great role in determining the climate of a place. When we say it is cold today or it is hot today, we are talking about weather. We are talking about weather. Weather describes the atmospheric condition of a particular day. Weather describes the atmospheric conditions of a particular day in a particular place at a particular time. Okay? But when we say it is very hot in Thar desert or it is very humid in Chennai, we are talking about climate. Okay? The climate of a place is the regular pattern of weather conditions over a long period of time. The climate of a place is the regular pattern of weather conditions over a long period of time. Okay? The clothes we wear and the food we eat depends largely on the climate of the place where we live. Our country has three main seasons: winter, summer and monsoon. Some parts of India have two more seasons: spring and autumn. Winter season. The winter season begins from the middle of the November and lasts till February. Winter season begins from the middle of the November and lasts till February. January is the coldest month. There is heavy snowfall in the Himalayas. As a result, it becomes very cold in the hilly regions. But the cold decreases as we go towards south of India. Okay? During the winter months, the nights are longer than the days. The nights are longer than the days. In which season? In which month? Winter months. Clear? Montuno. Leh in Ladakh is the highest city in India. The temperature in winters reaches minus 22 degrees Celsius. Okay? It is the coldest place of India. Water is always scarce in this area because this region hardly receives any rainfall. Okay? Now we will talk about summer season. The summer season begins from the middle of the March and lasts till June. In the northern plains, hot dry wind called Loo blows. Dust storms are common. The sun is very hot and days are longer than nights. In the southern part of India, it is comparatively less hot due to cool sea breeze which blows from the sea. Some areas receive heavy rainfalls towards the end of the summer. In the end of the summer, some area receives a heavy rainfall. Okay? Hilly areas have pleasant climate. That is why people from plains plan a trip during summer holidays. In summer holidays, you want to go in hilly area, na? Mangoes are the main attraction of the summer season. I think so. You eat mostly mangoes in summer season. Okay? Monsoon season. The monsoon season starts in June and lasts till the month of September. During this season, the monsoon winds carry moisture that blows towards the land from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Some parts of India like western coast and the northeastern states get heavy rainfall. Okay? Mizoram and Meghalaya receive the highest rainfall in India. The average rainfall in our country is about 120 centimeters. The average rainfall in our country is about 120 centimeters. Some area like Rajasthan and Gujarat receives less rainfall. In Gujarat and Rajasthan receive less rainfall. Okay? This page you have to do in your book. India has dash states and dash union territories. Here you will do the correction. You will correct it. 28 states and 9 union territories. Name of the capital of Punjab and Haryana is Chandigarh. Dash is the most common dress worn by Indian women. Sari. In many parts of India, men cover their head with turban. The rainy season is also called monsoon. The state of India receives highest rainfall, Meghalaya. Filling the blanks, India lies in the continent Asia. Telangana is added as a new state in India in the year 2014. Rajasthan and Gujarat receives less rainfall. Dust storms are very common in summer season. Largest state of India given word में Rajasthan. Name one neighboring country of India, Sri Lanka. A new state created in India in 2014, Telangana. Highest cricket ground in the world, Chail. A fruit that you can eat in summer, mango. And question answer will be sent to you. Okay, you have to do in notebook, and this activity you have to do by yourself. Okay, thank you, beta.